Okay, y'all, so this is my adventure right now. I am going down this dirt road in Barstow, California. They say it's Owl Canyon campground or something. I'm not sure. I need definitely some work done on my suspension on this van. But I just wanted to kind of give y'all an idea of where I'm going now. And I'm going to try to clip this in some kind of way to make it make sense. We are on our way to Jersey. Welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all. Sorry that I missed the mark and I did not take you along with me after I got out of the Owl Canyon BLM campsite in Barstow, California. I want to say that was Barstow, but I'm not sure. But now I've been driving since, put it like this. I was in Barstow at the BLM land. The next morning I woke up and went to the DMV to try to get my tag at the Barstow location. That didn't work, had some issues. So I didn't turn around. I kept going because I'm like, my journey is my journey. So I kept going, and so I ended up stopping in Needles, California to get my tag. Thank God there was some grace there. And I got my tag. And yesterday was my birthday, my 41st birthday. And as you can see, I've been on the road all night long. I did stop in Texas once I crossed over into the Texas border around 3 o'clock this morning Central Time, just to get some rest. Woke right back up at 6. I'm headed to New Jersey right now. I am in some part of, I guess this is Wheeler County, Texas right now. Trying to get out of here so I can get to Oklahoma City to stop and take a shower, find the Staples, and also a Starbucks so I can get on the internet and handle some business things. And yeah, so I just wanted to get a quick update. I'm gonna throw this into some type of video one of these days, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I made it out of the BLM campsite, and here I am now on the road somewhere in Texas. Okay, I'll try to do better, but obviously I want to get to my New Jersey destination, and then on my way back, and that's when I'm gonna take my time. Right now I have a mission, but on my way back I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna get to know you guys a little bit better. So stay tuned. Bye. All right, y'all. I finally made it to I am still on my adventure to Camden, New Jersey. But I'm passing through DC. Remember, I had a little detour, a 2-day pause, should I say, because the van was messing up. So I had guys, I am in the van. I found a spot on Outlander or iOverlander, whatever it is, and in New Jersey. It's called Kesson Park or something like that. And so I'm about to attempt to cook heat up some food that I had in the van and get ready for bed, because where I am, I don't have any Wi-Fi. So I just wanted to show you guys how I cook in my van. So let's see if that'll stay up. So I have my pan here. I'm trying to clean it out. I have to take out the trash, so forgive me. Stuff is a little messy right now because, you know, trying to maneuver in a small space. Alright, so I have my little collapsible sink here that basically I'm going to wash my dishes in and, you know, rinse stuff off in. I have 2 gallons of water because I will be, you know, I'm just starting, you guys, so I haven't done anything, you know, as far as convert the van or get the necessities outside of this stove, this sink, and other little stuff, just, you know, survival kit stuff. So I'm gonna wash off my little pan here. I have other pans, but this is just one of the little small pans that I took from home before I moved out or out of my storage. So make sure that doesn't someone's calling me, interrupting what I got going on. So I'm drinking on me some wine, Sutter Home Chardonnay, you know, gotta have your wine. Took a shower earlier at Planet Fitness. Gotta wash off my spatula. So, you know, I'm clean for till tomorrow. And then, well, I want to make sure this is not leaking in my bed. No, it's not leaking. So far, so good. Perfect. Alright, so I need to crack a window while I try to attempt to cook. I want to pull my hair back so it doesn't get in the flame. But I don't have a tie right now. So let's see if we can dump that in there. Thought I had a little clip. Sorry, you guys. A little clip. So we're going to just have to use one of the clips off of my bag. I took my window covering. I don't have real window coverings yet, but this does keep a little bit of the warmth in at night, and also gives me some privacy. I don't really care that they're silver right now. Eventually I'm gonna do some blackout shades. I plan on doing it myself. I've been watching some YouTube videos about it, so, you know, we'll see. But for now, they do the job. And I have them on all of the windows except for the front. I just have like a shade that I bought from Walmart in the front. And as far as for heat right now, because I am in New Jersey, I just turn on the van, and then I got all these layers of blankets and a sleeping bag on my little camping mat. So I'm sleeping on a camping mat, which I'll show in another video. Camping mat. Sorry I look a mess, but hey, this is real life. This is raw and uncut. A camping mat and a little foam thing. So yeah. Last thing I'm gonna do is open up that window because it's cold out there. It is freezing. So hopefully I can get this done quickly And yeah, because it is cold out there. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up and get everything prepped up so I don't have to move around too much when it's time to this paper plate. I got some paper plates somewhere. Oh, there's my bag back here. Gotta fill up my jug of water. So I've been surviving off these jugs. Uh-oh, let me put that back there. Of water. No, it's nothing that's gonna catch a fire. I got water ready, but just in case it does. Just throw that thing right out the door. Matter of fact, let's unlock it. So we have to throw it out the door. This is my first time cooking inside the van, you guys. I cook outside at camping sites and stuff like that, but I haven't cooked inside yet. So my attempt is to cook and wash some dishes. I'm gonna warm up some water and wash some dishes. Inside the van. Warm up my little food here. Okay, so I have this ready to go. I have my spatula, my food. Oh, let me get my, gotta get my Pam. I have that ready as well. So when I open up this door, everything will already be ready. Matter of fact, let me try this. I don't want to have to do all this while the window is open. Y'all don't understand. It is cold. And I'm probably going to turn on the car. No, I ain't going to do that. I was going to say I was going to turn on the car, but I'm not going to do that. So we're going to go ahead and get everything prepped because I don't want no problems. I don't want no problems out of this. So... sorry that I'm on the side. You can't really see me. Yeah, there we go. But I wanted you to see the food more than me. Okay, is that okay? All right, so I think we're ready to crack the window and put the butane inside my stove. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to crack this one out for the chill already. I'm feeling the chill. Okay, so because of that, let's turn on the car, roll down the window. So that way we can at least have our heat going and hopefully we don't waste this water. So I'll be right back. Gotta be careful because I don't want to waste the water. Heat flowing while we have the window down. Because it will be cold in here. Trust me. I don't know what happened, but stove is on, heater is on, window is rolled down. So for dinner we have queso, some chips, and a little piece of grilled quesadilla, basically is what they call it, grilled wrap something, from California tortilla. That's what we're eating tonight. So we're gonna use this as a bag for trash. So we're gonna put that over there. You can hear it simmering. Let me make sure I have my forget what rag I used. So I gotta smell it, y'all. I still don't know. So I don't remember what rag I used, but I have it down, you know, a little low. Didn't want to turn it up too much. With that, ooh, smelling delicious in here. And like I said, I got a little. How we're gonna wash the dishes afterwards. We're ready. Gonna warm up some water in a little kettle. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. We're doing our thing. So, see that is my closet / kitchen. Closet and storage back there. I took all of my seats out. Front seats are still the way they are. So yeah. We burning some food. So we've been in New Jersey for what, a week now? So we drove cross country. I've had to have some work done on the van. A lot of work done on the van. Yeah. Uh-oh, I'm burning it. Alright, we're gonna turn this off for a moment. Let it sit there on the simmering hot stove. Yeah, that's good. This is dinner, y'all. Van like, oh, and I have a banana and a grapefruit for dessert. Yeah, that's about it. I don't really have to warm up the water for the dishes. This kettle is really for when I want to take wash-ups for myself. Yeah. So, ooh, nice and hot. And just because I'm done using this for the moment, and I'm gonna close my door back up, window back up, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so it's not just sitting there. So we don't have to worry about no carbon monoxide. You know, because I don't have a carbon monoxide whatchamacallit yet, detector yet. Being lazy, being cheap. So, but yeah, I got the window cracked a lot, as you can see. So the window is cracked. So I'm not having to worry about that. I don't know what the noise is. I'm just gonna leave it on down for a few minutes. Oh, that's the pan moving from the AC, the heater. And obviously it's hot, so I don't want to touch it just yet. So we're gonna let that cool down before I touch it. I don't think I'm gonna warm up any water. Just wanted to show y'all a little whatever real quick. We can always show how I wash dishes, or you know, warm water up to wash up when I'm not you know, near Planet Fitness. So that's pretty much where I'm missing some wine. Where I take showers at. The Planet Fitness and the truck stops. So yeah, I'm gonna stop boring y'all. Take the first bite. I had some butter, but I didn't use it, so we'll save that. The phone is sitting on top of my refrigerator, otherwise I would put this stuff up. My refrigerator is a cooler for now. So take out dinner. We'll go ahead and throw this in our sink. And what did I do with my, oh, there's the fork. I have a fork. Plastic, although I have another, you know, permanent fork and stuff, a bowl and stuff like that. I use this plastic just to kind of save on washing dishes, save on water, stuff like that. I should have washed them both. See, I just wasted water. I should have just rinsed them both off. It's a habit that I have to do. But the thing is, I am reusing the water that I'm putting in there. That's what I'm going to wash the dishes with. Alright, let's take our first bite together. And then I'm going to end this video. I don't know how much time I got. So this is a chicken, basically a chicken quesadilla. And we're gonna, got some extra queso. We might have to cook the queso because it is not durable right now. Yeah. Oh well. We're not gonna worry about it because I am done with the stove for the night. So let's fold this back up. So we're just gonna have to eat it as a dip. Because it's not gonna liquefy in this cold weather anyway. And if I put it in the pan, no, we're not gonna do it. Got grease and stuff in there. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, I'm back. Story time while I eat. So, welcome to my channel for those who are new. If you don't know, I am a realtor who has decided to hit the road in a quest to find happiness. I had an apartment in Southern California that I moved out of in September of 2023. And I have essentially been living out of my van ever since. I purchased a RV at first, which I'll show some clips here or here somewhere. And that didn't really pan out for me because it was so much work. So I ended up selling my Toyota 2019 Toyota Mirai, which is a hydrogen gas car. I couldn't take it with me. Otherwise, I would have converted that into my home. But I wasn't able to because, there's no hydrogen gas stations outside of California. So I purchased a van. This van, when I purchased the van for $3,700 first, $3,300 first of all. I am still putting money inside this van. The van was trash. I bought it from an auction, so I had no idea what it was when I purchased it until I got in it. Let's just say I've changed radiators, coils, mass airflow sensors, transmission flushes, spark plugs, axles, all types of shit, you name it. Sorry. But I did this because this is my home now. All in quest to go and find happiness. But before I can do that, let me give you a little background. I moved to California about 9 years ago for love. It was a toxic relationship, very up and down. It put me in a bad space, mentally, emotionally, and financially, because I followed my heart. And California is hard. It's an expensive place. And yes, I'm a independent woman, but it would have helped if I had some help, and that he didn't help me. But I stayed the course, and I did what was necessary for me. And then about a year ago, or about 3 years ago, I found out he was having another child. With another woman. And when I say another child, because this would have been the second child that I just found out that he was having without him telling me. So 3 years, 2020, we, from 2020 to now, it was a bunch back and forth. And a year and a half ago, he left California. I'm thinking he's going to, move around and do what he needs to do to try to get his business back on track. And that he would be back. Well, he never came back. And how I found out is that the woman that he had got pregnant answered his phone one day and was going back and forth. And I was like, well, I'll wait for him to get home. And she was like, he ain't never coming home. So... devastated me, went driving over to his house, and sure as it was, his house was empty. The maid was there cleaning up, the remnants of the move out. Devastated was an understatement. I stayed in California for a little while. My lease was up in August, and I moved out of my apartment in September of this year. I've reached out to him multiple times. I've driven to Houston because that's where he lived in January of 2023 to try to confront him because, like I said, he just left without a word. I had no idea. And I want my closure, but he won't give it to me. He's running from me. And so, he moved to Houston. He's no longer with that woman anymore, from what I know. He's now back in New Jersey. So that's why I'm here in New Jersey. All right, so I'm washing dishes, or the little pot that I have. So I poured a little show you what I did. I poured some dish detergent inside, put a little water in, poured a little water. As you can see, this is a gallon. I haven't used that much yet. Until I can buy, what I plan on doing is buying one of those 5-gallon things, and a little, they say it's a soap dispenser, but whatever it is, it works as a water dispenser, but it's like one of those automatic soap dispensers. So I'm gonna do that with a little piping, so that way I can have some type of, you know, system in here until I can find someone to help me do it right. I want to have my little bed, have my little setup in the back in my little trunk area. And then, you know, yeah, have it that way. Okay, so let's rinse some dishes. So first of all, we're going to rinse this little sponge out. That way, that is rinsed. We're going to rinse this little spatula. That is rinsed. And now we got to rinse the pan out. And I think this is a, what, a 5-quart gallon or whatever, quart, whatever, 7-quart sink I got from Walmart. Poured too much water on that one, but yeah, you get the point. I poured used a little bit too much water on that one, but it's okay. You get the point. Dry this out with some napkins. I gotta buy more napkins. Sorry, so I'm using the restaurant napkins because I ran out of napkins today. But you know, it's okay. Certain things I don't really worry about, like having to have. Like I gotta do laundry right now. I ain't done laundry. I keep looking because I just think I'm hearing stuff. I haven't done laundry in about a week. Yeah, it's been about a week, maybe 2 weeks. I don't have many clothes with me, so I don't know why this thing just went out on me. Just reset. But yeah, but anyway, I don't have that many clothes on with me. You know, I have few, enough for like a week's worth of stuff, underwear and stuff in the back there, which I'll show you guys later how my setup is. Okay, so dishes are washed. We're gonna have to pour this water out. So, but for now, I want to put my stuff up first. We took this down off of one of the windows in the back because, you know, obviously I had to crack the window for cooking, and I'll put this back up. I'm gonna open up the door just because, you know, just to get a quick breeze of the fresh air in here before I kind of close completely up for the night. So let's see. So we put up, oh, this was for drying. But anyway, so let's organize our little, let me show you. I'm gonna organize my little kitchen back here so that everything fits. Let's see, I told you I had cups, bowls, whatever, plates right there, utensils, etc., can openers, stuff like that. And there's my butane, and that down there is a pan, a skillet, should I say. Okay, so that's my skillet down there. All right, so let me try to put this stuff together. and organize it so I can get ready for bed, because I'm a little tired, y'all. And I haven't really done anything today. Just to ride around, you know. So yeah, I've just settled in and got my kitchen organized. Gotta move that out the way because gotta make room for the toilet for tonight. Because yes, I do get up in the middle of the night to use it. And because I'm back here in this park, I might be able to go outside, but it is so cold, I wouldn't want to go outside. I'm not gonna want to go outside. Yes, I'm filming from my phone, raw and uncut. More wine. All right, what am I doing? Organizing myself. So let's close up the faucet. I need to wipe down my stove or oven. Stove. I guess this is considered a stove. A stove. You know, no greasy stuff. Grease buildup. Oh, did I mess up my nail? Oh. So yeah, that's it. You just wipe it down so you don't get too much of a grease buildup. And I think the last time I did not wipe it down when I was at the campsite in California. When I cooked, what did I cook? I can't remember what I cooked. Oh, I think I had barbecue pulled chicken sandwich and some au gratin, potatoes, scallops, whatever you want to call them. So it's a little greasy. I didn't realize it was so greasy before, but it's okay. Just gonna wipe it down a little bit. The thingamajiggy is out, as you guys can see. My butane is already put away. So you turn this down to lay it flat. Uh-oh. I think that's it. I just don't want to fit in there. And it comes with its own little case. Let me put my Pam up. I call it Pam, but it's non-stick butter, whatever. It's off-brand. But it's just for the, for the pans. It comes with its own little case. So I just put it back in this case. Yeah. Bam. And we'll just sit it right there for now because we are going to cook some breakfast. Oh, shit. I just hit myself in the face with this thing. And that has been this is a Ragley one. And that just showed me right there I got to get a new one because I just hit myself in the face with the bungee that I'm using to hold stuff down. So we're not even going to put that back. That is... Oh, I'm glad it didn't put out my eye. But I might have a black eye. I already got bags under my eyes, but I might get a black eye. Oh, well. At least y'all were my witness, right? You know it didn't come from my ex that I'm over here trying to get my closure from. So, yeah. Where's my hot towel? Ooh, what did I do with my hot rag? This is my little cover that I cover up my kitchen with. But I do have a hot rag. Oh, here it is. This is what I use for like the hot pans. This is a hot rag from Red Lobster restaurant. Don't tell nobody. I used to work there, so we used to have these rags to put your plates down. So they used to give them to us. So I just had extra ones laying around. And I just kept them because I know they actually work to keep the warmth away. when you're grabbing a hot plate or a hot pot or something. They actually do work. They really do work. So yeah. All right, so now we need to straighten up a little bit. Dump this water. Need to dump this trash, but we're not going to worry about that for right now. We're going to put the extra water in the front seat so we can have room. There. Yeah, we might be able to leave it there for the night. So we can have room. Damn, my eye, y'all. That really hurt. And I know my eye is going to be blacked because I'm so easily bruised. Oh, man. Okay. All right, so, yeah, that's it. I'm about to dump this water out. The water from the dishes and the rinsing. And I'm gonna chillax because where I am right now, I don't have any service. So I can't watch a movie, can't watch YouTube, can't do anything. So I'm just gonna eat my dessert, or I might save one for breakfast, or both, because I'm really not kind of full off of that half of quesadilla. And I'm feeling a little tipsy from the wine. So all right, you guys, good night until next time, or until the next video, you guys. Peace. Do you hear that? Dinner for tonight. I'm getting it where I have everything set up. This is my little setup for tonight here at Goshen Pond in New Jersey. It's a camping site. It has a lake back there. And this is my site for the next few days. I got my wood ready. I have my refrigerator sitting on ice. I have my stove, which I'm about to cook some fish and fries. I have my sink. And here's my bed. It's a little junky because it has the food all everywhere. But yeah, this is my setup. All right. See y'all in a moment. Just a little quick, see here.